Remember Dogecoin? The meme-based cryptocurrency that took the internet by storm? Yeah, that one. It's been a wild ride for Dogecoin investors to say the least. From its humble beginnings as a joke to its meteoric rise, Dogecoin has been nothing short of a phenomenon. Back in May 2021, Dogecoin reached its all-time high of $0.7376. It felt like the moon was the limit. Social media was ablaze with excitement, and everyone seemed to be talking about it. Fast forward to today, and the price is hovering around $0.30. That's a gut-wrenching drop of over 55%. Ouch! Many investors who bought in at the peak are now left wondering what went wrong. So what happened? Why did Dogecoin plummet from its lofty heights? Well, the truth is, cryptocurrency is volatile, like really volatile. Market sentiment can change in the blink of an eye, and what goes up can come crashing down just as quickly. It's like trying to ride a roller coaster blindfolded while juggling chainsaws. Exhilarating, terrifying, and likely to end in disaster. The unpredictability is part of the thrill, but it also makes it incredibly risky. But amidst the chaos, there are glimmers of hope. Some experts believe Dogecoin could be poised for a comeback. Could this be wishful thinking? Possibly. But hey, stranger things have happened. The world of cryptocurrency is full of surprises. Join us as we explore the current state of Dogecoin, delving into the factors that could influence its future. Examine the potential for a price surge, and what it would take for Dogecoin to regain its former glory. And try not to get too lost in the swirling vortex of cryptocurrency madness. Buckle up, it's going to be an interesting ride. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty of Dogecoin, let's take a quick look at the overall cryptocurrency market. Surprisingly, things are looking a bit rosier than our Dogecoin intro might suggest. The total market cap for all cryptocurrencies is up by a respectable 2%. That's like finding a $20 bill in your old jeans. Not life-changing, but hey, it's something. Even more encouraging is the 15% increase in 24-hour trading volume. This suggests that people are still interested in crypto, even with all the recent volatility. Think of it like this. Imagine a giant flea market where everyone is buying and selling bizarre digital trinkets. The more buying and selling happening, the more lively the market. So, while Dogecoin might be down, the overall crypto market is showing signs of life. It's like seeing a single flower blooming in a post-apocalyptic wasteland, a small sign of hope in an otherwise bleak landscape. One of the most exciting developments in the Dogecoin world is the recent buzz around a potential exchange-traded fund, or ETF. This news has been making waves across the financial community, sparking debates and discussions among investors and analysts alike. For those unfamiliar with the term, an ETF is essentially a basket of assets that you can buy and sell on a stock exchange. It's a way to invest in a variety of assets without having to buy each one individually. Think of it like a pre-made mixed drink for your investment portfolio. Instead of mixing each ingredient yourself, you get a ready-to-drink cocktail. Now, why is this a big deal for Dogecoin? Well, it could open up new avenues for investment and bring more legitimacy to the cryptocurrency. If a Dogecoin ETF were to be approved by the powers that be, it would make it much easier for institutional investors to get in on the action. These are the big players who can significantly influence the market. These are the big players, the whales of the financial world, with deep pockets and an insatiable appetite for profit. Their involvement could bring a lot of capital into Dogecoin. And one of these whales, Bitwise, has recently filed for a spot Dogecoin ETF. This move has caught the attention of many in the financial sector. This has sent ripples of excitement through the Dogecoin community. Enthusiasts are hopeful that this could be a turning point for the cryptocurrency. Could this be the catalyst that propels Dogecoin to new heights? It's certainly possible. The potential for growth is immense, but remember, ETF approval is far from guaranteed. The regulatory hurdles are significant and not easily overcome. It's like trying to get a cat to wear a tuxedo. Possible, but fraught with challenges. The road ahead is uncertain, but the excitement is palpable. Section 4. Whales ahoy, big players making big moves. Speaking of whales, there's another interesting trend emerging in the Dogecoin ocean. Large holders, known as whales, have been gobbling up Dogecoin like it's going out of style. These aren't your average everyday investors throwing their spare change into the crypto market. These are the big fish, the ones who can move markets with a single transaction. Now, why is this significant? Well, historically, when whales start accumulating a particular cryptocurrency, it's seen as a bullish signal. It's like seeing a flock of seagulls suddenly dive bombing a specific spot in the ocean. There's probably something tasty down there. Of course, it's impossible to know for sure what's going on in the minds of these crypto titans, but their recent buying spree suggests that they might be betting on a Dogecoin resurgence. Section 5. Riding the Waves, Understanding Dogecoin's Price Cycles. To understand where Dogecoin might be headed, it's helpful to look at its past. By examining historical data, we can gain insights into the patterns and trends that have shaped its journey. Like a seasoned therapist analyzing a patient's childhood, we need to delve into the historical price cycles of this meme-powered cryptocurrency. This deep dive can reveal the underlying factors that drive its volatility. Dogecoin's price history is a roller coaster of dizzying highs and stomach-churning lows. Each peak and trough tells a story of market sentiment and external influences. Analysts have identified distinct cycles in Dogecoin's price movements. These cycles help us predict potential future behaviors. These cycles are characterized by periods of consolidation where the price remains relatively stable, followed by explosive surges and dramatic crashes. Understanding these phases is crucial for making informed investment decisions. Think of it like a geyser-long periods of inactivity punctuated by sudden eruptions of scalding hot water. This analogy perfectly captures the unpredictable nature of Dogecoin's price movements. Currently, Dogecoin is in what analysts are calling Cycle 3. This phase is marked by a mix of stability and volatility, making it a critical period for investors. It's like the awkward teenage years of a cryptocurrency full of potential, but prone to unpredictable outbursts. This stage is crucial for its development and future trajectory. Breaking through the 35 cents resistance level could trigger a move towards 40 cents, signaling a potential bull run. This breakout could attract new investors and drive further growth. However, failure to break through could lead to a retest of the 32-cent support level and potentially a drop to 30 cents. This would indicate a bearish trend and caution is advised. It's a critical juncture for Dogecoin. The decisions made by investors now could shape its future for months or even years to come. Will it soar to new heights or crash back down to earth? Only time will tell. The journey of Dogecoin continues to be one of the most fascinating stories in the world of cryptocurrency. Section 6. To the Moon, an analyst's bullish Dogecoin prediction. Now let's talk about the future, or at least one very optimistic vision of it. One analyst on TradingView, a popular platform for charting and analyzing financial markets, believes that Dogecoin has the potential to reach a jaw-dropping $42. That's not a typo. $42. This prediction is based on a technical analysis of Dogecoin's price chart. The analyst believes that Dogecoin is currently bouncing off a key support zone. Think of it like a trampoline. The lower Dogecoin falls, the higher it could potentially bounce back. Section 7. Don't bet the farm, yet.